Hello, my name is Muhammad Rifki Pratama from Group 8. Want to explain characteristic, gradation, and finance models of fine aggregate. The purpose of this practicum is to find out fine aggregate gradation using a filter analysis. Aggregates are natural mineral grains that function as filler in concrete or mortar mix. Aggregates occupy about 70% of the volume of concrete or mortar. Therefore, the aggregate properties greatly affect the properties of the concrete produced. To make good quality concrete building material must meet technical requirement. One technical requirement is the fine aggregate must not contain mud more than 5% by weight of sand. Aggregate will not be suitable for making satisfactory concrete if the fine modulus of aggregate is more than 3.2. Fine aggregate used for concrete mix must meet the requirement of SNI. These are some of the requirements. Fine aggregate consists of sharp and hard granules. Fine aggregate grains must be immortal, which means they are not damaged or destroyed by weather effect, such as sun and rain, and mud content of no more than 5% and does not contain much organic matter. The tool is digital scale, one set of sieve, oven, dynamic sieve shaker, and pen. The material that used in this practicum is dry fine aggregate that pairs sieve number 4 as much as 500 grams. Practicum procedure is arrange sieve from number 4, 8, 16, 30, 50, 100, 200, and pen. Take the dry fine aggregate and pour it into sieve number 4. Install a set of sieve on sieve shaker and turn on sieve shaker for 15 minutes. Then weight the retained weight of fine aggregates on each sieve until pen and noted. This is one set sieve analysis. On the practicum procedure, arrange sieve by number 4, 8, 16, 30, 50, 100, and 200. Then, take the weight of the empty pan and note it. This is sample of fine aggregate. Then pour it on the pan and weigh it together. In this video experiment, the sample data that used is 1 kilo fine aggregate. After the weigh and the result is 1 kilo, then finish and note it. And the sample, pour it on the one set sieve analysis. Then install on sieve shaker. Turn on sieve shaker for 50 minutes. Take sample data on the pen. Then weight the retained weight of fine aggregate on each sieve until pen and note it. Practicum data. This table shift analysis of finite grade. After the practicum, we get the sample data of retained weight and this data calculation. To calculate data as shown below, some formula are needed. The example of calculation shift number 16 is shown below. For cumulative retained weight, the formula is sigma retained weight shift number 4 plus 8 plus number 16. The result is 44.5 gram. For cumulative retained percent, the formula is cumulative retained weight divided total of retained weight times 100%. The result is 8.91%. For cumulative base percent, the formula is 100% minus cumulative retained percent. The result is 91.09%. For modulus of aggregate finance, the formula is summation of cumulative percent in shift divided 100. The result is 4.78. There are error factors that may affect accuracy of the data in this practicum. Left sand in shift number 4, which will affect the weight on the pen, is not accurate. There are few aggregates that spill when it will be weighed. The conclusion of this practicum are the aggregate finance modulus is 4.78 because the modulus of finance is not in the interval. Finite grade does not meet the requirement of SNI. The aggregate is unsuitable for making satisfactory concrete because the finance modulus of aggregate more than 3.2. Thanks for watching.